Okay, this is a video to try and demonstrate how the motor compass motor compensation works. So what I have here is a hexacopter which is connected up to my computer, and the first test that I'm going to do is just to see how bad the interference is from the motors. So I'm going to wind up the motors to 50% and look at the HUD and see what kind of impact it's having on the heading. So there we go. So we just armed the motors. Here I'm spinning. You can see the current throttle down here in the channel 3% number. So we're sitting at about 167, and I am now going to crank up the throttle to about 50%. So 167, 166, here we go. Already gone 20 degrees. Let's see where it settles. Gone 30 degrees. Okay, so it looks like it's slowing down at about 40-degree impact. Yeah, it looks like a 41-degree impact. That's pretty bad. Just let that settle back down again and make sure. Obviously, there's compass offset learning is on as well, so it could be it could be trying to figure out what the offset should be. But no, it's gone to 167. Looks like it's settling a few degrees less than before. Actually, 10 degrees less. So it's settled back on 157. Okay. So that's quite a lot of interference, as I knew. Now we're going to go into the terminal window. It's going to start beeping because there's no signal coming out of the APM, and now we're going to do the setup, and the compass mot is the name of the setup routine. So now what we do is we keep the throttle low, and then we raise it as high as possible without taking off, so for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. There it is at 50% throttle. I could probably put it even higher. That's 70% throttle. I'm holding it down. Okay, there we go. And then we're just going to push any key to exit, and we should have saved those offsets. Now we're going to go back and retry our test. APM is rebooting. CSCs are complaining, of course, because there's no message going to them. Okay, looks like it's restarted, and now we are getting our parameters. Okay, and so our heading is still 156 as it was before. Arm the motors. Try that again now. Okay, so 156, and here we go to 50% throttle. So, oops, disarmed again. Arm the motors. There we go, 50% throttle. Cranking it settles back down to. Yeah, you can see it's only moved still. It's within 10 degrees, it looks like. Yep, it looks like it's very stable, which looks like a pretty good result.